Hey Cubing Gang, Alfred here. These are the best E Perm algorithms. Okay, so let's start. Here is the first algorithm. This is how I finger trick it. And by the way, this is the standard alg. First, I regrip my non-dominant hand. And I start the algorithm. Then that. For D and D prime, I only use my ring finger and faster. This next algorithm has no rotations, but it is longer by one move. It goes like this. For the R prime, don't regrip. It is better to do it like this. Faster. This last algorithm is just the variation of the previous one. It starts with R2. For all of these E Perm algorithms, you should always use your left ring finger to do the D and D prime.